Mae lot o bobl ar social media wedi gweld y berthynas yma'n dod at ei gilydd. Can you tell me how this relationship started?
Well, the relationship started when I rudely interrupted Dafydd's television interview in Cardiff. I come across Dafydd's music on my heat, obviously, the Welsh legend song. I related to the song so much that when I did see Dafydd in Cardiff town that day, I just couldn't walk past without, you know, giving the man his flowers that he so rightly deserves.
Wnaethon ni ddim cyfarfod yn iawn tan yr wythnos yma. Ac dyn ni rioed wedi gwneud dim byd gyda'n gilydd tan heddiw. Ac felly mae wedi bod yn brofiad gwahanol. A mae yna rhyfeddau. Ti'n teimlo gyda rai bobl, mae yna dir cyffredin. A mae yna ysbryd cyffredin. Ac felly ni'n gyfeillio'n oes. And sydyn reit, from small beginnings.
Yeah. I assume when this goes out, people are going to think, what's this young black man and an old Welsh, sorry.
Very old.
You know, we come from two different walks of life, and people are going to think, what brought these guys together? But it is the essence of collaboration, of coming together, of creating together, of, you know, this modern image of Wales. Wales doesn't have a one-race nationality. No, there's multiple versions of Welsh. So I guess me and Dafydd coming together today, just being sat next to each other, saying that we're working together, shows the rest of the world that anyone can come together, even if they come from multiple different walks of life.
We've got to open our arms and our hearts and our minds and see that collaboration between anybody living in Wales is so important because, you know, we are creating a new Wales. And you are part of it, I am part of it, and so many people of different persuasions and backgrounds are coming together, and collaboration in song and poetry and theatre. I mean, it's so important, and it's such a good way of working out this new Wales we are creating together.
Exactly.